In this tutorial, we are going to create a warm gear housing. Now, look, let's say all dimensions are in millimeter. Corner fillets are 2 mm unless otherwise specified. Material also written at bottom steel cast. Density 7300 kg per cubic meter. Okay. Now, here we have one front view. This is considered front view. Then there is a section AA. Section A just half pass through the center. This is section AA, and section BB for this cylinder body. This is going to be section BB, and there is section CC. There is a section CC. We will see. So we are going to start with this outer body. You will see this circular body. First we will create outer body, then we will cut. So for this outer body, just check section AA. Okay, let's make this body. Let's take this outer to outer dimension. Here you will see 100 millimeter and depth 41. Similarly, the second one 120 diameter, depth 61. The third one and fourth one you will find here. Outer 190, 175 and depth 68 and total 159. Okay, that's it. Let's make this one first. Now I'm going to choose top plane sketch. Now activate line tool. Okay, I want to tell one more thing. For reference, I am going to keep this cylindrical body center point 60 millimeter. Oh, remember how we are going to do this? Something like this. Okay, select this line, construction, smart dimension. Now select this line and select center point and move cursor outside. It will show you diameter. 100 millimeter. The second one 120. Third one 175. And the last one outer body 190. Okay. Now the length. This length shows 41 and this distance 61. Okay, and this is going to be 68 and total length 159. Okay, for reference, see, origin point lies here, so origin point to here 60. Not 60, this is going to be 90. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Simply go to feature and activate revolve boss base feature. Due to this construction line, system asks, would you, this profile is open. Would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now, by default, system took this center line as an axis of revolution. Now body going to revolve at the center of this line. Here angle 360 degree, end condition blind. 190 here. Now let's make this cylindrical body. You will see this cylindrical body. What is the diameter for this? Section BB. This is the section BB. Now from center, see the diameter 120 outer. Okay. Then this diameter 100. And there is one step 30 millimeter 56. Not 56, 70 millimeter. Okay. Okay, let's do this. And distance also you will observe 100 millimeter from center and 90 millimeter from center. This is important. So our front plane lies here. See, 60 millimeters. So I'm going to choose front plane, sketch, line. Okay. Now select this line as a center line, small dimension. Now first dimension, distance, 100 millimeter. Bottom distance, vertical length, 90 millimeter. Now this length, 25. And this is going to be 30. And total is length is 220. Okay, now this diameter. Select center point and move cursor outside, it will show you diameter. 120. 100. And the last one is 70. See, it's fully defined sketch. Simply go to feature and activate revolve boss base feature. Due to this construction line, the profile is open. So system asks, would you like to close? Say yes. By default, system took this center line as the axis of revolution. See here. And I want to make a complete circular body. So by default, system took 360 degree. If you make 180, 150, it's going to make half. But we need complete 360 and make sure merge result. So this is going to be one body. Here we go. Now it's time to cut. You will see in section view there are cutouts. Now for cutout you have to deep down from bottom, front plane. Let's say 40 this diameter, 70 height, 24, 45 this height, then again 40. Okay, then comes here this out inner diameter, where exactly this one, 130, this one 165, and the another one 150. Fine. Depth 20, 55, and here we have critical things, 20, 14 degree. Okay, we will see how we can manage this one. Okay, 68, no, not this, for this one, 55, 25, 30.5 here, one given. Angle, remember, 20 from here to here. Okay, let's do it. Now for plane, I am going to choose top plane. Sketch, draw one center line. Center line from midpoint to midpoint. Line, okay. Exit. Okay, let's define this first. $40, 70, again 40, and depth 24, 45. Okay, let's leave this one. Again activate line. Start from here, create a close profile. Now come down, and we need to create something like this. a smart dimension. Now first this angle, diameter 130. The outer one, this is going to be 165, and there is inner one. This is going to be 150 millimeter. Okay. Now these also 80 millimeter. Okay. Again, let's define 25 millimeter, 30.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, let's move this one, and we need to connect with this. So select line, select this line horizontal, smart dimension. Now first thing we need to define angle. Select the line, select this vertex, and it will show you this stride. So select bottom one, 14. Okay, this is important. Now this distance from here to here, 55. Delete 55 given for this. Okay, let me correct. Distance between these two, 20. Okay, distance between these two, 55. Okay, now it's solved. Whatever we need to cut, it's now go to feature, activate revolve cut feature. Now look, by default system took this center line as the axis of revolution. I want to cut a complete 360 degree. So here by default 360, keep end condition blind, direction whatever you can keep, say okay. Section view, and you will see the preview. See? Okay. Now there is a chamfer, 5 into 45 degree. Okay. Then we need to create one plane at 50 millimeter, and we need to make this circular body. Look, you will see here, this is going to attach diagonally from here to this body. See, 50 millimeter. You will observe here. Now activate plane. Select this one. Here make 50 millimeter reverse. Say okay. Now select the plane. Okay. Now corner rectangle, and see, this is going to start with this circle. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to bottom edge is shown 50 millimeter, 40 millimeter, and width 30 millimeter. Is still not fully defined. So okay, select this one coincide. Okay. Extruded boss base, 120 millimeter reverse. Say okay. Hide. You will observe these total length 120 millimeter and 50 millimeter from this face, and from here the distance 40 millimeter. Okay. Now you will see this circular body. There are total 8 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 are invisible here. So we need to make this R12 and you will see the length of this 28 millimeter. Then there is a hole, tapped hole M8 1.5, 8 number of equidistance, thread 23, length of hole, depth of hole 27, and the diameter 190 pitch for this hole. Okay, and the corner radius you will see here 2 millimeter. Now there is one spherical R12. Select this one, select this face, sketch, circle. Now let me draw circle here. Smart dimension, 12 radius. Okay. Now distance from here to here, this is going to be 190 divided by 2 is 95. Okay. Define distance. Now keep end condition blind and length 28 millimeter but reverse direction. Say okay. Now here we need to create one spherical body, so I am going to select this face, sketch, convert entity, draw one line, trim entity, power trim, trim half portion. Okay. Revolve boss base. Yes. Now here I want only 180 degree, not 360 degree. Center line, by default system took this center line. Say okay. And here we go. Fillet. Here keep fillet type constant type, symmetric, radius 2 millimeter, and select this one. Say okay. Now here we need to define hole wizard, tapered hole, asymmetric typed bottoming hole, not throughout, M8. Now depth of hole 27 up to shoulder, thread 23 millimeter thread, position. Now select this face. Now keep cursor on edge and it will show you midpoint. See, there is a midpoint. Just place here. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Say okay. Go to options, document property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. Say okay and look. Now we need to make 8 number of patterns. So circular pattern. Now feature. First you have to define one circular dimension. Either select axis or any circular edge. So I am going to select this face. This is a circular at center. Equal spacing 360 degree and 8 number of instances. Feature. Now define feature from here. This hole, fillet, revolve body and extrude body. These 4 we need. Say okay. And here we go. Now let's make this one 22 degree, 106 from center, and you will see this section view, 30 millimeter this diameter, and from one edge after this section view, see from this outer edge 35 millimeter. Move towards body. Okay, then there is a M16 into 2 hole. Okay, this hole we need to make up to inside. That's fine. First we need to create a plane. Let me activate temporary axis. Reference plane. I am going to select this one. And I am going to select this center. Now look. Now here see angle 22 degree. Now just check the view. Okay, this is at perfect position. Okay, now this is first face. Again select plane. Now for reference I am going to select plane 2 and here distance 106. You will see the preview. One plane going to create here. Say OK. First let me hide temporary axis and let me hide plane 2 also. Now this is the plane 3. Sketch, circle. Let's make this diameter 30 millimeter. Okay. Now let's move here somewhere. Select origin point and this one make horizontal, smart dimension. Now outside distance is given 35 in section view. Isometric view. See, extruded boss base. Look, this is moving wrong direction, so change direction, and here in direction 1 I am going to choose up to next. Okay, up to next means this outer face is going to be next. Say OK. Hide. Now there is already hole wizard. Now here choose tabbed hole, NC metric bottoming tabbed hole. Here I am going to select M16 into 1 into 2. And this hole going to be next. So no need to define. Select this face. Now select this face and place at center. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Look, from inside, from outside. Now we forget to add here chamfer. Select this edge, chamfer. Chamfer type, angle distance. Here we need to select the edge. Tangent propagation, full preview. And here let's say 5 into 45 degree. That's it. And we save it worm gear housing. Now it's time to make these holes. These holes lies at center 20, 40, 40 and M8 1.25, depth 25. There are 3 number of holes. Okay. And there is some more hole. Look at this face. There are 6 holes. Come at bottom. M8 1.25, 6 hole equidistance. Now diameter 70. Now depth of this hole 18 and thread of this hole 14. So hole wizard. I am going to hole type straight tab, standard metric tabbed bottoming hole. Now from here M8 into 1.25 pitch. Now depth blind. $25 and depth also 25. Thread depth is not given, means we will consider 25. Position. Now select this face. Now place at 3 location. Right click, choose select and out. Let's create constraint first. Select all 3 vertical. Smart dimension. $15. $20. $40. And the last one also 40. Now it seems fully defined sketch. Say OK. And here we go. Now the same hole we need to create here. hole wizard, tabbed straight tab, metric standard tabbed bottoming hole M8 into 1.25. Okay, depth 18, thread depth 14. Now here in option select thread with call out cosmetic thread, position. Now select this face and place somewhere here. Exit. Select circle. Draw one circle and make sure center. Select for construction. Smart dimension 75. Okay, still not fully defined. Select this point and origin point and make distance horizontal. Say okay. Okay. This is going to be M6. Okay, not M6, this is M8, not M6. Circular pattern. Now first I am going to choose for direction any circular edge or axis. Circular edge is perfect. How many holes? 6 hole. 360 degree, and let's select hole. You will see the preview. See? Now it's time to make cutout inside. You will see section BB. Come to section BB. Look here. 25, 70, 80, 70, then again 56, and you will notice depth 65, 85. Then there is a chamfer 3 into 45 degree. Okay. So for this, front plane, sketch. First, let me draw a center line. Draw a center line from midpoint. Find out midpoint to midpoint. Now again draw a line. Close profile. Okay, let's start from top. Diameter 56. This one 70 millimeter. This is going to be 80 millimeter. And the bottom one also 70 millimeter. Okay. This length 25. $85. 65. Revolve cut. Due to this construction line profile is open, system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now here by default system took this center line as the axis of revolution. Now this is going to cut 360 degree along with this axis. By default 360 degree, say okay. Now it's front plane section view. Okay. And see the preview. Now you will see outside 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and some are unspecified, so already written it's also 2 millimeter. Inside here you will see 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, outside 2 millimeter. Inside only chamfer 345. And see, these also 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter here also, and inside see 2 millimeter. Chamfer. Angle distance 3 into 45 degree. Okay. This is going to be apply here. The first one. Okay. Now let's see front plane section view. Okay. Fillet, constant type, 2 millimeter symmetry. I am going to select this face, this face, this face. There is a problem taking face. So check edges one by one. Okay. Okay, only this much, because if you are going too much, it may creates problem. Again, select. Okay, this edge done. What else? Okay. You will see this hidden edge. Say okay. Top plane, section view. Okay, you will see here we have circle, here we have. Okay, that's it. Now here we don't need circle, here also we have circle. Okay, that's we done. Now edit material. Now cast alloy steel, see density 73 kg per cubic meter. Apply, close. But view, I'm not, I'm going to change this view. Edit appearance, metal. Now for view, cast iron, color change, edit appearance again. Now from here you can change this color. Okay, that's look perfect. Okay, now one, all curve, select this face, and select this face. This is going to be machine faced, polished steel. Now all the holes also polished steel. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.